9:38 and I need to be up because I have work. So let's go get ready. We're currently in the car on the way to Animate, which is where we work. We run the sessions. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning and I am very tired. But we've got Mairead here behind the camera. I am driving and filming. I have my eyes on the road. Don't come at me. I know people come at people. Oh. Hello guys, we've currently just finished Animate. Everyone's still in the room. I'll just give you a whiz. So we're currently on stage because we were doing some filming today. Went really well, and yeah, we're about to go back in the car and then carry on with our dissertation. Got back from Animate and my hair already looks like a bloody mess. I'm just like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm really hungry because it's 2 o'clock. I'm gonna go make some lunch. And then, not gonna lie, probably nap. So tonight I was at the second year actors performance of Snarl and that was absolutely incredible. The whole cast were amazing. It was really brilliantly staged and it's really lovely to be able to support the second years who always come and support our shows. So that was really lovely. I had a quick nap earlier after work and then after doing my dissertation stuff because I was absolutely shattered. So then I've just had a chill out evening after the show, had a shower and I'm about to go to bed, maybe do a few more dissertation things in bed. But other than that, I've got some rehearsals tomorrow and I need to do some shopping for my performance because there's quite a few things that I need to get. But other than that, it's just rehearsals all weekend. So I'll take you with me. Morning guys, it is Saturday. I will actually turn that music down because that will be copyright. I'm listening to Billie Eilish's new album and it is great. So today I am doing printing for my PAR. I have rehearsals in my room earlier. I have been doing PAR stuff all morning, been out in the shops buying what I need, been kind of making up all my jars, and then I'll show you that process. Especially for durational performance. I mean, I'm not technically doing durational because I am doing a 10-minute performance, doing a 10-minute performance 24 times, spread over 4.5 hours, but the performance itself is not 4.5 hours, so it doesn't count as durational despite being a long time. It's confusing, but I'll show you what that setup's like. So yes, this is my studio that I'm doing my PAR in, so I will take you round a little bit because I would have already done my performance by the time that this is out, so I can kind of ruin the magic a little bit. So this is aerial pods, and this is what we used to use for my laundry at home when I lived in Surrey, and this smell is literally home to me. And because this half of the room, there's all the things that calm me down, so I've got my soft toy, my fan, painting is really calming for me, I've got my nightlight, and then in that jar over there that I showed you, those are the pods. and so it's going to recreate the smell of home. So I want people to walk into my performance and there be a very definite smell. So what I've been doing is I've been spraying these on all the soft furnishings, so hopefully when you walk in you kind of have that smell of laundry and like fresh linen and make you feel at home and cozy. But we will see if that happens in the end. Hello, it's sunny outside, so me and G are going to the SU for a drink. Bye. And it is 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm finally going to bed because we came home after the SU. We sat in the living room, we watched loads of YouTube videos, and we drank some cider. And I stressed about my PA art, my housemate. So that's my evening. Tomorrow is more rehearsals, we'll go along with that as well. But I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. I say good morning. It's fully the afternoon. I have just been working again, as always. I kind of wrote myself a to-do list and I've just been working through that to-do list. So I'll show you what I've been up to. Morning! Welcome to another beautifully sunny day that I'm stuck inside doing my dissertation. I actually am filling out my schedule now, so people are deciding when they want to come. So that's becoming a bit real. I'm going to see the start of some people's performances, so I'm going to see one performance today, and then tomorrow, Wednesday, because I'm performing Thursday, I can't see anyone's, but on Tuesday and Wednesday I will be seeing everyone's performances. Tuesday. I feel like all I ever do is just introduce the day and then you don't see anything else I do because I forget to pick up the camera. But I'm going to watch some performances and I'm going to Wilco and I'm going to try and film.
Prejudice, conform, restrictive, sad, hatred, dishonest, degrading, unethical, unrealistic, frustrating, anti-feminist.
I get what you mean, because there's been so many like lecturers where we sat down and like we've had like debates and people are like, oh, I shouldn't say anything now. But having that response is basically saying I might as well just not try.
So after a long few days of sunny weather, I am fully back in my hoodie. So I'm gonna go back to Amy. We've just ordered some Lebanese food as a treat. And oh my god, I got 2 bottles of Schlur for £1. No, that's a lie. I got 2 bottles of Schlur for £1 each. That would have been too good to be true. How's it going? This is so weird. I'm gonna go sit downstairs and wait for our food to come.
You should have seen me yesterday when I just started dancing on my own in my room. That was really so crazy.
It smells good, but it's not my food, so bye! It's Wednesday, the day before dissertation, hence why I'm looking so rough. And I'm running late because I'm going to watch some more performances and I'll film them if I can. Guess who I'm back with?
Hi.
I forgot mine too. We're going to the library. How many days left until dissertation? Tomorrow!
Yep.
We love that. Everyone's staring at us because this is literally the middle of campus. So we love that for us. We just got from Tesco. Oh, hello. The Easter Bunny is here. Guess which one's yours?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It is the 5th of April. I did my dissertation yesterday. We're at the end. I literally like hardly filmed. I think I filmed a couple of performances, but I didn't film yesterday because I was hella stressed. And then I came home because my performance finished quite late. Came home, drank a whole load, and then slept really well. So that has been the kind of summary of this week. I hope you've enjoyed our little journey and a little taste of kind of what a dissertation on a theatre degree can be. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in a bit. Bye!